Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ryan. Today I'm going to be unstuffing my expenses. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to it. So for rent, I'm not going to do rent yet because rent's not due until the end of the month. For Mini Cooper, I actually paid that payment, so I can take this out. It was $135, so I can take all of that out. I hope everyone is doing pretty good today. I hope everyone's Easter was really good too. For Progressive, I already paid that one and it was cleared, so I can take that one out as well. So we have all these ones. $20, $20, $20. There we go. All right, and then for the next one, not AT&T, that gets paid with my rent. Credit cards, yes, I did pay $200 on my credit cards. So we're gonna put that back in there. For Affirm, I paid that as well. That was $40. So that can be unstuffed. And I have to make change for my groceries one because, guys, guess what? I actually spent $91 in groceries this time, and I was on budget. Isn't that cool? That is so cool. We got all healthy stuff. Me and Jay are going to be on a diet going on this week. We're trying it out to see if we can actually lose some weight. It's nothing like too crazy. It's just eating healthier foods. We're not doing any grains or anything right now because it's just it doesn't really the diet doesn't call for grains. So basically it's like cleansing your thyroid because your thyroid is very important. Eating foods that are gonna be good for the thyroid is really important. Okay, so food, I only spent $91, so I'm going to give myself, let's see, $91, so that would be $9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So yeah, your thyroid is very important. It's what helps break down all your food and stuff, and without that, you don't get some of your nutrients and things, and you really need your thyroid. And so yeah, for fuel, I got gas. I actually went over on this. I did budget $45, but it came to be $48, which I do have a little bit of a buffer in my account, so I'm not really worried about that, but I did go over on that. And household, I don't have anything in there, and I don't have anything in there. So that is it for my unstuffing video, guys. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.